In 2022, public education is on the ballot in North Carolina at all levels of government. Local school board elections in North Carolina have gotten widespread attention due to recent clashes over COVID safety measures, critical race theory, and LGBTQ rights. But that's only one small part of what they do, and they're not the only local authority that impacts schools. North Carolina voters elect county commissioners and school boards in 100 counties and 115 school districts. How do these local boards help our students? About 1/4 of North Carolina public ed funding comes from local property taxes, fees, and bonds. County commissioners and school boards must work together and are equally important to our schools. County commissioners represent the whole county and make decisions about a number of county services along with education. School boards are the local education authority for a county or city school district and are required to meet once a month with public comments. County commissioners can raise taxes and must approve the budget proposed by the school board. They fund school construction and transportation, as well as additional staff and resources. School boards propose and manage the district's budget and academic programs. They hire the superintendent and control student assignment, as well as a number of policies that directly impact educators and students. The ability to raise tax revenue varies widely across North Carolina, so state elections and the Leandro Plan are vital for low-wealth areas. Vote for county commissioners who support funding construction and transportation needs of schools, who seek a community approach to education that involves their other county responsibilities like human services and housing, and who want to invest tax revenue in supplementing pre-K, educator salaries, teacher assistants, and other needed resources. Vote for school board members who treat educators as valued professionals, who set a respectful tone at public meetings, who prioritize school equity and diversity, and who have experience and expertise in education policy. For more information on the 2022 elections, follow us on social media and visit our website, publicschoolsfirstnc.org, for more resources.